Hello, and welcome to Quick Charge by Electrek, keeping you in the fast track with daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. I'm Mikey G, and it's Monday, February 1st. Tesla has launched a new Charge Stats feature in their mobile app to give owners more access to their charging information. It might only be available for the Model 3 and Model Y vehicles since it's not showing up for the S or X at the moment. The new feature breaks down your charging over the last month based on where it's coming from, either home, supercharger, or other chargers. The app also displays a clear idea of gas savings, a feature that Tesla has been known for some time. It's a more tailored experience compared to the advertising gas savings that they used as a tool for the factored price on their website. That tool was actually removed at one point and then it was put back. Tesla has launched a new software update that lets owners customize the display color of their vehicle in the user interface. The purpose of it is to allow customers with aftermarket wraps or new paint jobs to color match their vehicle to the in-screen representation. For now, it's only available in China, but Tesla has been known to spread some of their region features to the global market. Years ago, the automaker decided to streamline its ordering process, literally having only 5 options when it comes to the paint. Many Tesla customers have opted for a wrap of their vehicle to give them a little more personality. A downside of wrapping the vehicle is that the render for the in-car interface or the mobile app doesn't match. Not a big deal for some people, but for others it can be a little bothersome. Tesla has been hit by a safety recall from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration on all vehicles in the full self-driving beta. The feature is for the rolling stop that allows vehicles to drive past stop signs. The NHTSA took issue with the feature when it was first introduced in the 2020.40.4.10 software update back in October of 2020. The rolling stop allows a vehicle to automatically make the maneuver when it reaches a 4-way stop and a list of criteria are met, such as slowing down to 5.6 miles per hour and no detection of pedestrians or cyclists. Tesla told the NHTSA that it is not aware of any collisions, injuries, or fatalities related to this condition. However, the NHTSA says that Tesla will push a new software update that will disable the feature in the beta program. Tesla has previously complained about having to call this a recall since it's not physically recalling any product. A federal appeals court ruled that Arizona Utilities' Salt River project, which serves most of the Phoenix metropolitan area, can be held liable for violating antitrust laws because they charge customers who owned rooftop solar panels higher electricity rates. According to Tucson.com, a 3-judge panel of the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals unanimously ruled, quote, "There is sufficient evidence that could show the price structure was designed to deter the competitive threat of solar energy systems and to force consumers to exclusively purchase electricity." Now, the case will go back to a trial judge who will determine the damages at a later time. In today's community comment, there's actually 2 things I'd like to highlight. The first is from Tony S., who says, quote, "I feel sorry for the fanboys." Not really. And the second one is from Neil Wink, who says, quote, "The pace is slow. The task is monumental. His persistence is diligent. Where others would have given up and considered it failure, he continues forward, accepting the challenge. See? Determination. Fanboy? Yes. Tesla to the moon. Don't be left behind." Yeah, I kind of stirred up the pot a little bit when I put up the video poking fun of Elon Musk's promises. One might think that the video is also a declaration of my personal stance, whether I'm for Tesla or against Tesla. But the reality is it's just a goofy video, chopped to pieces, lightheartedly looking back at predictions. I'd do the same thing when I said that the bathroom remodel would be done in just a few months, or when I said I could finish the flagstone path in just a weekend. And neither one of those actually happened. I heard it said once that we drastically overestimate what we can do in 1 year, but we underestimate what we can do in 5 years. Thanks for watching Quick Charge by Electrek. We also have an audio version on your favorite podcast player. I'm Mikey G, and I hope you have a great day.